Happy Valentine's Day, you guys. I'm just not coming home. It's late. I hadn't already started eating. The camera just shut off. I don't know what happened. But we can start over. It doesn't matter. I have Chick-fil-A. I love Chick-fil-A. Even though I don't have a Valentine. So this meal is my Valentine today. I have a regular chicken sandwich. I didn't get the spicy because I'm not that girl. I put some mayo on it because I love the mayo. I got my Polynesian sauce for my nuggets. And I didn't already dug in, so I'm going to just continue because your girl is hungry. Y'all like nuggets? This is my first time having the nuggets. It tastes pretty good. See? Y'all like them nuggets. I gotta try it with the Chick-fil-A sauce. I don't want to burn up the plastic, so I'll just sit it on the counter. Chick-fil-A sauce. That's good. Is this thing off? Okay, it's off. I'm burning up my sandwich. What I do like is a little Chick-fil-A sauce on there too. Yeah. If you're gonna do it, do it. Ain't no shame in my game. I like my sandwiches to be nice and wet. The Chick-fil-A sauce in that, the fries in that Polynesian sauce is to die for. And I got my root beer. And you know I got an extra cup of ice. Because that's how it is. That's how I roll. So, did you guys enjoy your Valentine's Day? Or are you enjoying your Valentine's Day? Ooh, hot. Well, I went to work. I came home. My son was ready to go. He's like, can you take me over here? Because they don't have school tomorrow and they don't have school Monday. So it's like a 4-day weekend. And he's been stuck in the house. So I let him go. He escaped. I'm going to bite this sandwich, but it's so freaking hot. It's so freaking hot. Oh, it's falling apart. It's too sloppy. Now that's a good bite. This is really, really good. It's slippery because I put so much stuff on it. Whew. It's also good. It's so hot. So here I am, home alone on Valentine's Day. It's okay. It's all right. Oh, I'm gonna put some Polynesian sauce on my sandwich too. That'll be the bomb diggity dog. I think I will. Whew. It be so crowded. I was gonna go out, take my son out to dinner or something, but I forget it be so crowded. Chick-fil-A wasn't crowded. That tomato just sets it off. Okay, I'm gonna try something. Because I want this Polynesian up in here. I need Polynesian in my life. I'm so sloppy. And it's so good. I don't really know. I don't know. I heard it was a lot of people in these YouTube streets talking about love and relationships and all this stuff. Because it was Valentine's Day. It's a day of love. Do I think it's love out here? It's love out here. I love my kids. I love my parents. I love my family. I love my friends. I love my subscribers. I even love the people I subscribe to, even if they don't subscribe back. I'll be talking about this. Can you go ahead and scroll up and subscribe? Hit the thumbs up and like the video, because I know you like it. I know you like it. Everybody likes Chick-fil-A. So you should like the video too. If you want to know when I post a video, you got to get notified too. How else you gonna know? Unless you hit the bell. So hit the bell. It don't take a rocket scientist to figure that out. Hit the bell and get notified and watch each and every video I put out. So back to love. I love love. There's nothing like being in love. As long as it's with the right person. And if that person loves you back. Excuse me. Every relationship goes through ups and downs. And I think sometimes at some point in our life, we just don't feel like dealing with it. And that's how I was. But now I'm ready. I'm ready to open myself back up and find love again. It's going to happen for me one day. I can tell you that. Got more Polynesian. You gotta love people that love you back. And not just love them because they do stuff for you, because they take you places. That's not a good reason. Anybody can take you anywhere. Anybody can buy you something. Anybody can give you some money. Ooh, he gonna give me some money. I love him. No. Anybody can give you some money. He can give you some money, go somewhere and beat your tail. You still love him? I think so. I wish I had a knife to cut this sandwich in half. Because it's just so slappy. But it is so good. And I want to pour this Polynesian on there, but it's already too juicy. Juicy sandwich. I wanna get to know ya. Don't look at my nails. I don't get my nails done, but occasionally I do polish them. I polished them the other day, and you know that don't last that long. So I'm gonna try it again, but I wanted to get this video out early before everybody went to bed. Because I know it's a lot of y'all going to bed early tonight. Not me. Who's going to bed early tonight? Not me. I'm going to stay up and watch the mooks I missed. They're uploaded late like me. I got to do some engagement so I got to get my subscribers up. I'm really happy. Small victories. I got 78 subscribers. I started January, I think 24th with 0, and now I'm up to 78. It hasn't been a month. I'm really excited about that. Oh, look at this juicy sandwich. Mmm. 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 Y'all just don't know. You probably do know. Chick-fil-A is that deal. It's that deal. That sandwich is so good. I've been ignoring the Chick-fil-A sauce. I said, Donut says, I love you too. I love you, Chick-fil-A sauce. Oh, it's on my sandwich. I think I'm getting full, y'all. I might be getting full. Or I might just need to unbutton my pants. I think it get unbuttoned. Woo! Oh yeah, there we go. I can finish this sandwich. I can finish it. See, I normally do my mukbangs in my sweatpants and my pajama pants, but I just came in. I wiped off all my lips here. I'm still cute though. I'm still cute. Love songs. What's your favorite love songs? Favorite love songs. For a long time, I didn't even listen to love songs. I was in like a everybody stage for a few years. You catch me listening to Lil Wayne all the time. He's there for everybody. I don't like none of y'all. But now, You can't live like that. Nobody wants to be alone. We all need some friends. Oh no, I want it. I want it up on there. It's going back. It's going back. Here we go. That can come off. Y'all think that it's got a taste? It ain't really got no taste. It just be crunchy. But now that ain't crunchy. Because it's wilted, so I can take it off of that. I got a little taste, but that tomato can't go nowhere. Nowhere. Oh, but we was talking about love songs. What's some love songs? I don't even know any love songs. I don't know none. Anita Baker had some cuts, some hits, some jams. Mariah Carey. Whitney Houston. If I should stay. I can't sing, so I ain't gonna finish that. I can't sing. Don't talk about me. I will always love food. But I can't sing. I love some Whitney. I love some food. I'm trying to finish. I always cut my videos off before I finish my food because I think it'd be long enough. I'm trying to finish. I'm trying. It's so good. It's so good. Yeah, I went out last night and I had two margaritas. I didn't feel drunk. I just felt a little tipsy. I didn't really feel like, because it was just margaritas. Margaritas ain't nothing. I came home and I went to sleep. And I woke up this morning, it's like I didn't remember. I didn't know how to do anything. The clock said a certain time. I couldn't remember if it was a 5 minutes fast or 10 minutes fast. Excuse me. It's like I couldn't remember nothing. I didn't know what was going on. I'm like, do I go to work today? Am I off? What's going on? But it was time to get up because Alexa told me, get up. So I got up. And I thought I told Alexa to snooze, but she didn't come back on. She didn't come back on at all. I don't know what happened to my cell phone at 1 o'clock. I don't know. But that's how I went down. I had fun. Strawberry margaritas are where it's at. On a work night. I'm thinking I might try to go out and do something this weekend. A co-worker was telling me about a comedy show or dinner or something. I don't know. And I think I might go. I don't never do anything. I just stay in the house. So my son left me, so I'm here alone. I might as well try to do something. And I got 3 days off. What pickle? Pickle! I can't believe I ate all that. It's just so good. You can't go wrong with Chick-fil-A. You cannot. I'm so full. So what I think that I'm going to do is I'm going to save these. 1, 2, 3, 4. And these 2 fries. And that's like a little snack for me to have in a couple of hours when I'm hungry again. Oh, but I'm so full. This real bread sitting in the spot. I feel good. I feel full. I know I'm loved, and I hope you love me. So until the next time, we're gonna get some of this ice. That's good. Oh, I'm gonna tell y'all. The last time I went to Chick-fil-A, I got that, what is it, the lemonade shake or something? Oh, I ain't getting that no more. That thing was disgusting. Like lemons and ice cream, that just sound like a stomach ache waiting to happen, and that's what I had. It had separated. By the time I got home, it did not look good or taste good. So I don't know how y'all drink that, but it's a no for me. I'm not doing it. But until next time, deuces. Happy Valentine's Day.